Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video, we break down the top 5 best digital kitchen scales you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best digital kitchen scales on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best digital kitchen scales are you currently using and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. This Etekcity digital scale has endless uses for personal or commercial environments, great for homes, kitchens, offices, and more. The scale has an easy-to-read LCD display with beautiful clear backlit. With a capacity of 5 gig, you can weigh a variety of items with ease. You will be surprised at all the uses you will have for this product. You can easily choose among measurement in Oz, lb, Oz, G, mil, Milky Water. This digital scale measures in precise increments of oneg to accurately weigh your items. Power is provided by 2 AA batteries included, making the scale portable and ensuring that you can easily acquire replacement batteries. The tare function allows the user to deduct the weight of a container from the total weight in order to determine the net weight of the contents, excluding the weight of the container, which holds them. The scale has an easy-to-read backlit display, staying 30 seconds for easily reading. To save energy, the scale also features an auto-off function, allowing the scale to turn off after 2 minutes inactivity. Do not mix new and used batteries to power the device. For details, let's watch more. Our second best digital kitchen scales is Ultrean Digital Kitchen Scale. With contemporary slim design made of stainless steel material, it is easy to use and clean, provides accurate weight data with a user-friendly control panel and system, with high-precision sensors to ensure correct performance and readouts. This unit comes with an button battery and doesn't consume too much power, plus it has an auto shut-off feature. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easy to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. Unit can be converted manually in grams, Oz, pounds, and milliliters. Milk volume and water volume can also be measured. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easier to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. Tare function helps you to weigh smaller ingredients or liquids inside a container without measuring the container itself. With 4 high-precision sensors, you can achieve detailed and excellent digital weight measurement. Reminds you to replace the battery in time to get accurate measurement results. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Nicewell Digital Kitchen Scale. The digital food scale built in 4 high-precision load sensors quickly and accurately responds oneg or 0. Ono's increments when adding ingredients, its measuring range 0. Ono's to 22 lbs and 3 to 10 g. Multifunction large-scale 9x6. 3-inch platform and large LCD display for easy readout in G, kg, lb. Oz, fel, Oz, and mal. This digital weight scale is for better cooking, baking, tracking intake, weight loss, and postage. The food scale is designed with tempered glass for strong bearing, sleek stainless steel top surface for anti-fingerprint and easy clean, with an attached hook for convenient storage. Convenient tare button for tare calculation allows you to subtract the weight of plate or container, making it easy to achieve accurate readouts of ingredients. 2 AA batteries included. We'll always stand behind our kitchen scales. Please feel free to reach to us if you have any issues. 22's multifunction kitchen and food scale helps you weigh your ingredients accurately to ensure healthy portion sizes and follow recipes more closely. Make your baking and cooking much easier. You can use the digital kitchen scale to subtract the weight of the container and get the net weight of the food easily. You can easily choose among measurement in Oz, LB, Oz, G, kg, mel, satisfy all weighing needs. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is NOOM Digital Kitchen Scale. The scale boasts an LCD display, powered by a CR2032 battery, offering clear readings for precision cooking. NOOM's kitchen scale, with 4 strain gauges sensors, ensures up to 5 gauge accuracy. Switch seamlessly between units with a 0, 1 Oz 1G and 0. 1 flows 1 mel division for versatile precision. NOOM's kitchen scale not only delivers precision, but also enhances your kitchen aesthetic. Choose from black, blue, or off-white for a stylish culinary experience. NOOM's kitchen scale with dimensions of 8, 58 by 6, 22 by 0, 47 inches combines precision with a sleek design for your culinary needs. Our food kitchen scale equips 4 high-precision load sensors, waterproof anti-collision glass weighing panel. The tare button allows you to subtract the weight of mug, plate, or different size bowl, making it easy to achieve accurate readouts of nuts, grains, powder, fruit, milk, and more food. With a 2-min auto-off function, no need to worry about power consumption. Power, low alarm, and overload, remind. Hanging hook, and 4 no slip rubbers. Easy to clean and store. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best digital kitchen scales list is KitchenAid Q909 Digital Kitchen Food Scale. This KitchenAid food scale is a high-performance scale with a double platform design. 2 different weighing surfaces, weigh larger amounts up to 11 pounds in 0. 1 Oz increments like flours, and smaller amounts of 16 ounces in 0. 1 Oz. Increments for ingredients like yeast and spices, ensures perfect accuracy with scratch baking. The 2 platforms of this ultra-precise scale can work together or independently. A dual reading backlit display shows both weights. Each weighing platform has a tare feature to zero out weights of containers or reset the display in between ingredients. The stainless steel platforms are easy to clean, just wipe down with a damp cloth. Slim design stores easily. For the cooks, the creators, the bakers, and the brewers, for the doers and the dabblers, the masters and the misfits, for the tasters and the testers, from meal planners to party preppers, for all those who don't cook to live, but live to cook, this is for you. Weigh all ingredients into 1 container by using the tare feature to zero out weights in between additions. Also works to zero the weight of any container before adding food. For details, let's watch more.